Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to recover deleted emails in Gmail in 2026. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign in to your Gmail account. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click Trash. Deleted emails stay here for up to 30 days before being permanently removed. Find the email you want to recover and check the box next to it. At the top, click the Move to icon, then choose Inbox or any folder you want. The email will be restored instantly. If you deleted an email by accident, you can also press Ctrl+Z immediately after deleting to undo it. If an email is no longer in the trash folder, it may be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered through Gmail. And that's it. You now know how to recover deleted emails in Gmail using the 2026 method. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really supports the channel.